Okay. Let's roll another one. Fin. Okay. Let's roll another one. Please be good. Sunset. I've seen more YouTubers get more rare slime. Earn $200. Okay. And 200 bucks. Where are the monsters? 2x luck. 4x luck. Yes! Our first 100. Okay. I need luck or bonuses. Yes. Upgrade. Tutorial. Okay. Buy. Tutorial. Hide. Then what? 2 enemies. Okay. Okay. After this, I need to go to the next area, desert. Or we could call it desert. Fast. Only 50 away. 50 bucks away. Bucks. I got 1x left. Now I got 2x left. Bro, 5k? Oh hell no. Uh-oh. Bonus? Oh. Luck. Oh. There. Please, I need this. I'm getting a lot of leafy. Oh, I got a sand and a 90. Oh. But that didn't do it. I don't know why. Just now. Just now, bruh. Bonus. I got $2,000. I will upgrade golden rolls by then roll speed by then luck by I have no chance, okay. Quick dust. What do you think? I think it was in. Should I buy it? But I have no more bucks. Before jackpot series. Apple. Bye. I need luck, bro. I keep getting goopies. I will make that movie. Yes. No. Why? Yes. No. Apple. I can feed to him or okay. I will accept that. Bonus? No. Why? Oh, look at this. Yes. Or we say goop. Oh. In 3 more spins, we get the golden spin. 2 more. Just I got 5,000. 1 more. This is the golden. Yes. No. This is the golden. This is the golden. This is the golden. Oh, 1,000. What is that? Spike? Okay, I will take it. It looks like no. Bonus? No. Okay, best. Okay. X. 4x. This is the golden. No. Yes. No. I will take the carrot. Did I get a carrot? No. Yuck. No! Why? Luck. Big slime. Okay. I will bonus points. Nemesis the shadow. Yes. Okay. Okay, best. I need bonuses, please. I will AFK for a little bit and come back. Bye bye. So it's been a minute. We can afford the next world. Okay, let's go. Bonus. Yeah. Let's see what we got. Okay. What is this? Franken slime. We got Brutus, Boomy. That's all. Bonus. No! 2 bonuses. 2 and 1. Just little error. Sorry, back again. I was in. Can we go out of map? Oh. Why did nobody think of this? Nobody thought of this, bro. So, please. No. I will do big slime, shiny slimes, huge slimes, and inverted slimes. Everybody go comment what state are you in and what country are you in. I hope I will get a like from every country. That's for today. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Are you still in outro? Are you still doing go? Okay, this is the real. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.